Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Trespasser Roblox game. In today's video, I'm going to give you a guide on the Trespasser Roblox. As you see right now, we are using the newly updated prison map in Trespasser. This is the prison map. So we're gonna start this by doing all the things that they want us to do. Now we're gonna do the last part. There you go. So I'm gonna give you the guide. As you can see right here, here is our residents remaining. So here are the peoples will come in and out. So if we click red, they will be not allowed to enter this prison. But if we click on green, they'll be allowed to enter this prison. But of course, we need to check on their faces, if or face or body, if there's something wrong with them. And right now, here's the cameras. So we're gonna check on the cameras. So you can see there's a person right there, the entrance. But now we're gonna check on cell A, cell B, and C. So all you have to do is keep an eye out on cell A, B, and C. So right here, so we're gonna read here. There you go. So he looks not sus, so let's let him in and check the anomaly for if he's a bad guy or not. You see, and he's not because it's zero detected anomalies. And this guy, I'm a translator. One of my mate only speaks Iceland, no joke. So let's check our body. Oh, he looks good. Clear. Zoom in. Now we're gonna check our generator. It's full. Oh no, so right here is a prisoner. He will try to open up heavy containment right here. Wait, this is right here. Try to open a heavy containment. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, don't hit him. Here he will try to open it, and now we're gonna hit him before open this monster right here. If he gets out, all we need to do is run into a crate. For example, right here, he got out. Need to run to a crate. Okay, we're gonna run into a crate. Run to a crate. Find a crate. Okay, now we have found the crate. Now click E. There you go. Now he can't. The anomaly cannot reach us. There we go. He missed us over there. If we ever get in, he won't get us. So there you go, guys. That's how you do it. Oh, now. Oh, so let's say if you're in this situation, what do you have to do? Wait around 20 to 30 seconds. So there's another inmate got out, tried to hit him, doesn't let the other guy get hit him. There you go. As you can see, the anomaly has now disappeared. Right there. All you need to do is just have to wait. Now close this if it ever opens up again. There you go. I'm gonna wait for the anomaly over there to go back. There you go. As you can see right now, he is following us. Okay. As you can see the anomaly over there. Over there, visitation. Let's see. Now we're gonna hide because he's following us. Okay, now it's going to the security camera. Wait, wait. Trying to get around the place. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm a bit impatient. So just wait for the 20 seconds. He's out still there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And there you go. I think it's gone. There you go, guys. Now it's gone. And let's see if it's back. Oh no, it's not yet back. So if it's not yet back, just be keep aware of the anomaly. Just be aware that he is out. For example, right here. It's right here. Now we just need to hide. So to know if it's safe to go anywhere else, just wait for him to go back to his cell. So right here, Oh, there we go. As you can see, he disappeared, which that means he's on his cell. As you see right now, he's on the cell. He went back to his cell. And we're gonna check on the red containment. Okay, so everything seems to be good. So there you go, guys. So that's a little bit of a guide for you. And yeah, that's about it. And of course, the generator, keep this on. If not, it will be dark. But if it's dark, all you have to do is just open your flashlight like that by clicking letter F, or just click on the button on the left side corner if you're using mobile. There you go. As you can see, just open the flashlight up. See the flashlight. You turn it off by clicking it again. There you go, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And a quick tip for you guys: the best thing to do to not let the prisoners get over here or anywhere there is always check on the camera if you're playing solo. But if you're playing with a duo, if you play with a duo or a trio, at least one of you guys must go right over here at this spot right here, the red one. If you're playing trio, the other guy there, and the other person on the purple heavy containment. But if you're just playing duo, one of you guys must do this. Go to the heavy, the purple heavy, then check on the red. There you go. And then after that, check on the prison cells if there's any open. Once open, close it. Then open, close it. Check on the others. Oh, that's one open. Now close it. This one's open. Now close it. This you can check on the others. So there you go, guys. That's how you do it. If you have any questions, type it on the comment section below. I will be happy to answer you. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.